Fabe, welcome to MaiMoments. Today is absolutely a different atmosphere, different video, and I'm telling you I don't have all my essential, so I'm going to be creative doing this makeup. I'm actually at Galveston right now, and this was not planned until literally yesterday morning. So I literally pack all my stuff and then go headed to Galveston for a family gathering. So it's really important to me to have fun with my family, but I also have to think about you guys producing video, right? And I'm going to share you some tips that I actually found it's really helpful whenever I'm going to traveling and I don't have all the essential. So let's get started and stay tuned toward the end because I'm going to put on a show for you guys, something that is going to be fun. I brought my makeup bag for the purpose of going traveling, and here we go. And it's not going to be like a aggressive glam, all that usually I would do, because we are going swimming. And I have it on here. Definitely this is the stuff that I must have whenever I'm going to travel, so I can feel fresh and all. Get a quick moisturizing hydrations, and I cannot live without this. Let me show it to you. This one right now, this is my favorite for eye. And I also bring, like, for whenever I go traveling, I also brought a mask, because I feel that every single time when I go to traveling in different atmosphere, different locations, my skin get dry like super crazy, and that's why I usually bring that. By the way, this is Hixley. That's the brand right here. And then, so let's get started. I already did my eyebrows, and the way that I did my eyebrows was this products right here by Anastasia, which you always know that I have been using, which I love so much. This is a pomade medium brow, and then I also add the Wonder Brows on top. What it's doing is that it's carved out amazing colors, but then I want to lock it, and whenever I'm going swimming, I'm pretty sure it still stay beautiful within my eyebrows. So the next products I'm going to put is going to be Milani Conceal, and oh my gosh, this is dirty, but we are going to apply that all over our face. And this is the only mirror I have, the Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to try to make it work. And I'm going to use like 2 pump whatsoever. Oh, by the way, I do need to put on a primer, and this is the primer I'm using today. This one, I feel that it does help me to minimize pore, and also it helped my foundation to stay longer, and it's have a little bit sticky paste to where it's going to grab on to my foundation, which I super duper need. And then I'm going to grab more because I enjoy it so much. By the way, I did put on like sunscreen. This is the one that I use for my face because it helped me not break out as much. I still get a breakout, and oh my gosh, I have my period. Can you believe it? Going to the beach and you have your period, and I'm over here breaking out. That's the worst thing ever. Ugh. But I'm going to have a family gathering, so that is more important than actually, going swimming, having a great time. This is like family gathering from Vietnam. They just came to the United States, so I think it's important to come and say hi to them, welcoming them. And so here is my dance sponge, and I already wet it, and now it's time to bounce my face. I already did my eyebrows because I think that it's just unnecessary to take so much time into it. So I skipped that process and went straight into foundation. And for the eye, I'm not going to do like something hard. It's going to be something really easy and simple that you guys can follow, especially whenever you go to traveling. You want to be light, but I love a full coverage so bad. And this is kind of like water resistant, so I can still swim and have a beautiful foundation and looking beautiful while I'm on the beach. If I'm decide to take pictures, I still have a great skin. So for my swimming suit, I actually wear a full sleeve. I'm not going to wear a like spaghetti strap, because apparently when I wear a spaghetti strap last time, I got tan so bad that those spaghetti straps literally show for 2 to 3 months. And so I'm not going to do that this time. I'm just going to wear long sleeve, and it's going to be extremely protected. I totally forgot to bring any of the eye color. So what are we going to do? We have to be creative. This is the Colourpop Might Be, and I enjoy this so much because it lasts really long whenever you apply it on your skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to apply it on my lid right here for some shyness and some color. And I'm just using my finger. This is a quick makeup, so don't over here trying to be too perfect, because we want to add some color into our skin and get the day going. So there's no need to be extremely being extra, you know. You still want to look like you wide awake and you are ready for the day, instead of looking too full glam like you going to a wedding or a club. We just want something light, so it's convenience for us to actually put together. And I'm telling you that I don't have my eye color, but does not mean we cannot make it work, you know. And in order to add some color, I'm actually going to use some of my bronzers. This is actually can use as a eyeshadows, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. So not only products you can use for something else, it's multi-function. So I'm going to carve it out like this, and I'm just going to add a bronzer, so you see it's act like a eyeshadows. That's why I love to bring this bronzer so much, because I can do a lot of function with this, not just only add some shadows into my face. So for the middle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a highlighter. This is a Fenty Beauty that I always mention to you guys. This is a Fenty Beauty, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some highlighter, pop right in the middle for highlight. Oh yeah. Who say you cannot achieve amazing makeup with just a little bit of everything? Now it's time for me to add some wings so we can fly high. And now adding your favorite eyeliners. And then I'm going to add eyelashes. This is definitely optional. You don't have to do this going to traveling, but for me, I'm just being extra because I barely have any eyelashes. Oh, there, found it. By the way, this is super good glue. Whenever I was like walking down the beach and the wind like literally blowing like 50 miles per hour, whew, all crazy and stuff, and my eyelashes still stay on my eyes. And I'm telling you, this is a super good glue. And stay close toward your real eyelashes. You know, there's technique how to cut your eyelashes. Whenever you cut it, I don't like to cut toward the end. I actually like to trim just a little bit toward the front and just a little bit toward the back. And what I meant by that, let's look at this eyelashes for example. If I'm going to cut it right here, oh, you see that this have a pokey spot. Oh my gosh, trim that off. This is the like really bad. I need to buy new scissors. So bad, so bad. And then also toward the back here. And what I like to do is that there's a sticky, make sure to peel it off before applying the glue. I'm so obsessed with this one right now. This is Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lips. You know what I totally forgot, and I thought I packed blushes. Oh my gosh, I did not pack blushes at all. Let's add some Hula Beauty to bring back some of the color. Not much. So easy way is think of a E or a 3. This is what you're going to do, like this. So going to draw from here down to here, from here down to here. So it don't have to be perfect, you guys. We are just going to add some colors. Since I don't have any other brushes, use your fingers. It's your best friend. I'm telling you that your finger does a lot of stuff, that you can really use your finger just purely to do your makeup. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add glitter right here. So you're probably like, oh my gosh, I need blush, what should I do? Okay, we're gonna use this for blushes. Oh yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it right here on my hands, and I'm going to use this 2 finger. What I'm going to do is apply on my cheek, and I'm using my fingers that I don't have any color to actually blending it out. And then I have this setting spray. I do have my Tarte Shape, but I'm not going to use that today. And then this is the setting spray from Urban Decay. It's not the cutest thing ever. It's like a mini size of it, so it's great for traveling. What is great about this is actually you can definitely reuse this. So whenever you have this spray, just go ahead and take the bottle, twist the bottle out like this. Add the one that you have, put it more in there. This is great for traveling, so I'm not going to throw this away, even though if I'm going to use it all today, but not really. So I'm just going to spray it all, set my face, and forget about it. So this is it, you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Sometimes whenever you go to traveling, you totally forgot your essential, right? And you have to be creative. So I hope this video you have an opening mind of finding different items of makeup that you can use for something else. Give this video a thumb up. Don't forget to give me a comment below of what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out. So if you have stayed to this footage, I definitely want to welcome you to my lovely niece.
Hi, my name is Alana and my channel is Wizard Alana.
So if you are interested in video game and if you're the same age as her, especially at 8, so I recommend you to check that out. It's super cute. It's Roblox. So if you're interested in Roblox, that is absolutely your thing. So I want to share with you that we are going to wear to the beach today, and definitely I am obsessed with this swimming suit, because as you can see that I do have a tan line from literally swimming and getting tan. I don't like it because it's so hard to actually wear a dress and having that line showing. I hate it so much. So that's why I'm wearing a long sleeve today, and at the back it says La Sport. Oh my goodness. I look like a lifeguard. And what you wearing today?
Today I am going to wear a July 4th swimming suit to the beach today.
It's not this the cutest thing ever. I am so obsessed. Whenever I was little, I literally want this so bad. My mom never got it for me. So by the way, where did your mom get this?
I don't know, but I was waiting for years and ages to wear this pant.
Wear that underwear. Right? Okay, so I would definitely take you guys out to the beach and having a blast while we're wearing this. And then this is a family gathering, so it's so great to see a family bonding. And so let's go ahead and check that out. So now we have